What's up, everyone? This is Eugen from a local Canadian company, Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg. Today I will show you how to enter the service mode of our Whirlpool washer. With the help of the service mode, we can view the error code stored in the memory. In addition to viewing errors using the service mode, you can conduct a full check of all components of the Whirlpool washer without disassembling it. Let's go! Viewing errors. Let's start by viewing errors stored in the washer memory. To activate the service menu, the washer must be connected to the power supply, but not turn on with the power button. Without long pauses, press the three buttons: washing temperature, spin and soiling, in turn until 3/8 appear on the display. If the washer has a problem, it will show an error code after 5 seconds. In my case, the error code F05E02 was displayed on the washer display. This code indicates that the door of the washer is open or there is a problem with one or more components of the washer: the door lock, wiring, contacts, or the main control board. If only 3/8 appear on the display, this means that the washer does not have error codes in its memory. To exit the service menu, simply press the power button. The washer will turn off. Automatic diagnostics of all components of the washer. Activate the service menu. Without long pauses, press the three buttons: washing temperature, spin and soiling, in turn until 3/8 appear on the display. Press the spin button and hold it down until a beep sounds, about 5 seconds. At the same time, the LED above the start button will blink. Press the start button and the symbol C00 will appear on the display. The washer will lock the door and switch to the water drain mode. Subsequent press of the start button switch the diagnostic modes: filling with water using different valves, rotating the drum, heating, draining and spinning. If the mode does not switch, this means that not enough time has passed to check the current testing process. If a malfunction of one of the components of the washer is detected, the display will show an error code including the symbol F and E and the corresponding numeric values of the error code. To exit automatic diagnostics, simply press the power button. The washer will turn off. It's time to say goodbye. If you have questions about the Whirlpool washer, entering the service mode, questions about error codes, or questions about any other appliances, leave comments, and the Appliance Fix Lab team will definitely answer them. So, I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.